नहीं
डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर
माउस छोड़ दो,
मराठवाड़ा।
माउस छोड़ दो।
ऐसे नहीं निकाला
हम्म,
डॉक्टर
ये
बाबा
इधर
साहब,
इधर ये।
इसलिए निकल गया।
हम्म,
हाँ हाँ। डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर मराठवाड़ा यूनिवर्सिटी छत्रपति संभाजीनगर. My refresher course topic and my co-teaching my hero. My main topic for feminine identity in Chitra Banerjee's Divakarni selected novels. A study about the introduction. The present study is an analysis of quest of feminine identity portrayed in Chitra Banerjee Divakarni selected novels. Chitra Banerjee Divakarni is a renowned Indian American novelist of Bengali origin who moved to America to complete her education in the late of 1970. Divakarni's subject matter was about the lives of Indians settled in America, especially considering issues from the point of view of Indian American women, without superficially negotiating women's appearance and stay in the US in her fictional world. Then Divakarni's characters find their own unique identities, and these characters merge Indian needs and American desires to find one's one distinct want to survive in a different nation. The feminine characters in her novels, spanning different social sections, both from within the diaspora and their homelands, initiate female friendships that help them travels the hostile and difficult diasporic terrains easily. And then objective of this research to define and interpret characteristics of identity, and then to study the problems of female identity, and to examine the feminine issues the female characters of Chitra Banerjee Divakarni faces in a foreign land. And then next point to investigate man-woman relationship by taking the help of myth and legends depicted in the Chitra Banerjee's fiction. And then importance of research. While studying Chitra Banerjee Divakarni's novels, I have examined the diasporic experience of female characters and has also referred to how this can serve as a search for identity. And I have studied the theme of quest for feminine identity described in the novels of Chitra Banerjee Divakarni. These characters are dislocated from their homeland and searching for their identity in the foreign land. The author Chitra Banerjee considered for the study transform language and then cultural traditions into a new settings. Reading these novels from a cross-cultural perspective can thus become a way discovering productive new modes of thinking and expression. And then this topic's hypothesis. Chitra Banerjee novels present the immigrant quest for feminine identity. Divakarni's novels reflected the struggle of female characters to prove their identity. And then man-woman relationships, support of myth and legends are reflected through various shades in Divakarni's novels. And my presentation was how to use in research methodology. The research methodology used for the present study is analytical as well as social, cultural and political approach. It is applied to evaluate and understand the issues of female identity depicted in Chitra Banerjee Divakarni selected novels. And then about the introduction, quest for feminine identity and multicultural identity in relation to the novels of Chitra Banerjee Divakarni is the central theme considered for the study, and review of writings of her contemporaries has been considered for better understanding for the topic. Chitra Banerjee Divakarni has given remarkable contribution to the development of women's identity in her fiction, which marks an important stage in the evolution of literature produced by South Asian American women. And then discovery of self-identity in the mysteries of spices and queens of dreams. In this section, I has discussed two novels of and has analyzed theme of self-identity portrayed in Chitra Banerjee Divakarni's first novel, The Mistresses of Spices, and the other novel, Queen of Dreams. The Mistresses of Spices is unique. It is written with a blend of prose and poetry and focuses on the quest for identity The Mysteries of Spices is a tale of discovery, of identity, joy, sorrow, and one special woman's magical powers. And second novel, The Mysteries of Spices, is a magical realism novel about Tilo, an immortal Indian woman trained to use the mystical powers of spices to heal immigrant customers in Oakland, California. She must follow strict rules, no leaving her shop, and no personal desires. The Mysteries of Spices novel that follows the journey of Tilo, a woman who navigates multiple identities, from her birth as Naintara to her time as the pirates kidnapped Bhagyavati, and finally to her role as the immortal mistress of Pisces. Her central quest is the struggle to reconcile her duty as a traditional detached healer for Indian immigrants in Oakland, California, with her personal longing for love and autonomy. And then Chitra Banerjee, Divakarni, Queen of Dreams, also falls in the same cultural tradition that discloses issues of first and second generations of immigrants community. In fact, she is more considered and sensitive in handling feminine concerns of identity, nativity, assaults, racial conflicts, projection of art, sociocultural themes in her writings. The second generation immigrants living in the US in this novel is Rakhi Gupta, a young and diverse wife of Sunny, who is also an immigrant in the US. It was a love marriage and became the mother of Jonah. In the novel, she is a third generation immigrant. Mr. Gupta brought up Rakhi by keeping her ignorant about her homeland, India, and also her experiences in India as a dream teller. And then section 2, man-woman relationship in Chitra Banerjee Divakarni's novels. In Divakarni's novels, the man-woman relationship is reflected through various shades. Divakarni, an eminent leading Indian woman writer, writing in English, holds revolutionary ideas about marriage and man-woman relationship. In her opinion, social consciousness of today is leading us to the point where conditions for better growth of two complementary components, man and woman, would be ensured by their separate and individual development. And then these topics about conclusion. While the conclusion is based on the study of both the sections, the identity quest between the roots and fruits best describe their swing from one culture to another, one that never concludes until the end of life. She is best at her speculation on how well these characters negotiate with circumstances in which they are placed. The setting of plot, interviewing of themes, events, and the perception of characters helps to construct the best piece of literary work. The novels emotionally describe the narratives of growing populations of immigrants from South Asia to America. And recommendation for the further study. Creative Nostalgia of Chitra Banerjee Divakarni, a study of selected novels. And then Transcultural Discourse, a study of South Asian diasporic writings. Discourse of Home and Nation in the writings of Indian diaspora. And then all my topics references, and then all the my topic has finished. Thank you so much.